Sunnyguard Sunshade Sail. The 10 feet by 13 feet rectangular canopy is honestly a sweet, budget-friendly way to up your outdoor game. On Sunnyguard's site, the breathable rectangle sails start from about $27.99, while Amazon listings for the 10 by 13 size commonly sit in the $30 to $50 range depending on color and whether it's the breathable or waterproof version. What I really liked when I dug into the specs: this model is made from 185 GSM HDPE, no recycled filler. It's breathable so your patio stays cooler, claims to block up to 95% of UV, and ships with reinforced stitching, stainless D-rings and a few ropes. Plus Sunnyguard offers custom sizes if you need something different. It's simple stuff, but it's the kind of practical detail that makes installation and long-term use easier. Customer feedback looks solid. The family of Sunnyguard 10 by 13 listings averages about 4.4 to 4.5 stars with thousands of reviews, with buyers praising value and durability, while a few note mixed experiences around waterproofing depending on the exact model. If you want one, we share buy links in description box. I'd call this a very sensible, low-risk upgrade for patios, pools, or carports.